The Chichén Itza Pyramid is one of Mexico's most prominent and oldest landmarks. It was built by the Mayan civilization between the 9th and 12th centuries. Located in the north of the Yucatán Peninsula, in Mexico, the Chichén Itza Pyramid was used as a tribe fighter's observatory and a veteran's temple. The temple was dedicated to the Cocolkan Mayan god, and it means the snake with a sprinkler. Each side of the temple has 91 steps, and the building is 24 meters high, plus 6 meters for the temple. The base of the pyramid is 55.3 meters. The city of Chichén Itza is a vital archaeological site and attraction for tourists, one of Mexico's most visited archaeological sites. Highlighted in 1988 when it was classified as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and selected in 2007 as one of the 7 new wonders of the world. The city of Chichén Itza was founded by the Mayan, an ancient people who settled the Yucatán Peninsula, where several groups spread throughout the region, enriching and varying Mayan culture and architecture. Chichén Itza is a Mayan term meaning at the mouth of the Itza well, and Itza is a Mayan ethnicity who came to power in the northern part of the Yucatán Peninsula where the city is located. The designation may also be attributed to a number of underground rivers, which are likely to have been the city's water source. As the abundance of water has made the site ideal for the formation of a city the size of Chichén Itza, and, in another view, Chichén Itza means on the edge of the well where the wise live.